Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great at your places, and today we'll be studying about interjections. So let's just begin. Title of our chapter is The Interjection. Right, there is a warm-up exercise that how do you spend your day. Please write down in your own word. Interjections, they are those words which are used to express the feelings. They express the emotions such as sorrow, happiness, excitement, belief, disbelief, surprise, etc. Right? Some of the examples of interjections are no, oh, hooray, alas, oh no, etc. Right? Moving on to the exercise, you have to use these interjections so that you can complete the following sentences. So dash, keep it up. ये हम लिख सकते हैं keep it up. Okay. Next is dash, be quiet. Alas, please be quiet. Right? Dash, I'm very happy. Hooray, I'm very happy. Dash, what a climax. Oh, what a climax it is, right? Oh, I'm glad. You can write, I am glad, right? Hooray, well done, right? Next is dash, how are you? You can write, how are you? Or next is you can write dash, this is tasty. Oh, this is tasty, right? So that was all about interjection. It's very easy. You just have to remember the words and write accordingly in the blanks. Please keep doing hard work. Stay blessed. Thank you.